Well, here she is, Raging River Water Park. Time and temperature. Give the old once over real quick. That sucks. Well, there she is. I just unplugged the time and temperature sensor. It was down in that hole there with a fan connected to it. This little guy here. And the temperature continued to read 32 degrees once this was removed. I had that fan pointing up that hole there. I didn't like the way that this one looked, that second one in there.
You get one of those panels to work. If you want.
Temperature reference did not up the temperature at all, and it's actually still showing up even with the sensor disconnected. Thanks again for all your help. Have a great day.